Hello, everybody. Good morning. My name is Thiagarajan, and I'm a network engineer with Aerowire Networks. Today, let's discuss how we can add a new admin user on ClearPass and also create a custom privilege if required. So, to add a new admin user on ClearPass, navigate to Administration. Under Users and Privileges, select Admin Users. Now you'll have these two default administrators available, and you can also add local admin users if you'd like. Now, this user ID field would be the actual username of the admin. So let me just call it Airwire admin. This name can be anything per your preference. This wouldn't be the actual username used for login. It's the user ID that will be used. So password, verify the password. Obviously, have this enabled in order for this admin to log in successfully. And the privilege level. So these privilege levels dictate what sort of access the user has in ClearPass. So if you want this user to have full access, you can choose Super Administrator. Otherwise, you can choose between Help Desk, Receptionist, and Read-Only Administrator. So you may be wondering how to gauge what sort of privileges each of these privilege levels would have. We'll check that out now. So I'm going to choose Super Administrator so that I give this Airwire admin user full access to ClearPass, and then I hit the Add button to add the user. Just like how we discussed about local user settings, you have similar account settings for admin users as well. You can choose a password policy if you'd like. You also have an option to disable accounts if there are too many failed attempts to log in. And next, we'll discuss admin privileges. So if you would like to know what privileges each of these default privileges offer, you can open either one of those and then it'll tell you. So if you go to Policy Manager, you'll have multiple tabs here, all of those tabs that you see within Policy Manager, and you can dictate what sort of access this privilege has to each tab. So then you have Insight also. We'll discuss Insight in a different video, what Insight is and how to use it. But here is where you would normally see what sort of access this privilege level has on ClearPass. You are free to create a new admin privilege if you'd like. Now, say for example, I create one called Airwire Receptionist. Now, you can leave this as it is, give full access to the admin, and then you can modify access here. Now, say for example, I want to give this user only access to a few monitoring tabs so that they can log in and check how ClearPass is functioning in terms of authentication, system health, and everything. Like I'll give them read access to all of these, or just yeah, these, and then I don't have to really give access to anything else. Those the other tabs won't be visible for this user. I'll give access to dashboard as well, and I can hit save. Now I have a new admin privilege created named Arrowwire Receptionist, and moving forward, I can create new admin users and assign the Arrowwire Receptionist privilege and give them access to log into ClearPass. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching.